Good morning. I'm going to do a quick video on what we got done this weekend. I got the plumbing in to the gray tank. So I got the pipe from the sink, goes down here. This is the pipe for the shower, goes right there. And then we got the vent pipe, goes out the roof. Now it goes into our gray tank here. I got the shower completely tiled. Now I need to grout all done there. I got the Nature's Head toilet in, and I got the peat moss in here. I was gonna do a quick demonstration on how it stirs it all up. Kind of interesting. Well, that's about it.